This is our 32-inch wide black lacquer Oriental hall chest. This is a pretty versatile piece. It can be used in a hallway, it can be used as a sideboard in the dining room, or even as a small entertainment center or a shoe cabinet. As you can see, it is fully inlaid, hand-carved mother of pearl. It has hand-drawn traditional palace and geisha Asian artistry. This piece also has, golden pencil molding around the sides, and it's complete with a glass top, which you see here, which protects all of this hand painting and artwork for years and years to come. The feet on the piece are nicely carved out. It does have a beautiful apron there, and you can see the palace artwork is also on the sides of this piece as well, so it's really lovely. You have some carved brass poles on the front, and behind them you see some storage space, in addition to brass hardware, magnetic closure. This is one of our most popular Asian hall chests, very popular with designers, and a great accent piece to say the least. The dimensions on it: 32 inches wide, 14.5 inches deep, 30 inches high. Hope you love it.